we want to document our findings. On one side, of course, they are color-coded, pink for girls and blue for boys. One side has the birth to 36 months head circumference. This is where we would document the head circumference in inches in the United States. In the United Kingdom, they will do centimeters. If you look here at the top, you'll notice that the first solid line is birth. So if the baby is a newborn and it's their birth, you would document the actual head circumference on that line. The line in between, so we have birth, 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, and then we're at the 3. The next thick line is a 3 for a 3-monther. The next line would be a 4 month, 5 month, and we're at another solid line for 6 months. So make sure when you are charting, ladies and gentlemen, that you find the actual line followed by my baby's head circumference was 13.5. So I would find my 13. And then this next line is the half. So I would document if this was a newborn on the birth line right about here. What you'll also notice is that there are percentile lines. The percentile lines, the top line being the 95th percentile and the bottom line being the 5th percentile. And in the middle, there is another thick solid line being the 50th percentile line. What that means is either the baby falls in 95% of the babies in that age group, which is a higher percentile with the same head circumference, or if it was below or the 5th percentile line or the 50%. So that allows you to see that here. At the bottom, you will also jot down the weight. Again, for the United States, the weight is going to be calibrated in pounds. For United Kingdom, we have kilograms. Keep in mind that you are going to plot both charts, baby's head circumference and weight. When you turn the page over, we have length and weight to be documented. So your lesson for today, you are going to document each baby in the room, making sure that you determine which babies are the birth through at least 8 months of age. Okay, so you need to document 8 babies in the room, giving them a month designation so that you can create a full charted growth chart. That is your instructions for today. The next thing we're going to talk about when it comes to peds is immunizations. At the well child visit, this is also the time where most children receive their immunization records. You are going to create an immunization record. What you're going to need is to look at your book. In your book on page, if you have the combination book, 776 is actually the chart for the record. I am going to go to the board when we return, and I am going to show you how to do this exercise. Okay?